Guys, we got us a 2021 Hyundai Sonata N-Line. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. As you guys can see, it's turbo, 4-cylinder. You can't hear nothing. There it is. Comes with quad tips out the back. Sound decibels. Again. It was like not even 80 sound decibels on it. That's what it sounds like before. We'll let you guys hear it. We'll show you what it looks like before and after. Right. This is what it looks like before, guys. This is the Hyundai Elantra N-Line right there. There's the resonator. It's got the factory converter up there somewhere. As you guys can see, there's the resonator. We're gonna keep it on for now. We're just gonna do, and it's got 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, then 2-inch pipe out the back. On each side, it's dualed out. There's the factory mufflers. We're gonna do a muffler delete first. As you guys can see, I like the tips on it. We're gonna keep the same tips for now. Keep that clean look. Factory look with a little bit of noise. Let you guys hear it after and show you. All right, guys, this is what it sounds like. We just cut the mufflers off right there, right there. This is what it sounds like. Nothing. It's quiet.
It's the res.
That res is gonna go. It's a little bit deeper.
It is, yeah.
I would put like a vibrant or something on it, or something small.
Just to get rid of
Just to taint it.
I want to get the drone out. I want
Yeah.
all that sound without the drone. That's
Exactly.
So.
There's the sound decibels. Yeah. It's like right at 90. Okay, turn it off. So we showed you guys what it looked like before without the resonator, with the resonator mufflers and everything. So it is the N-Line, the Hyundai. Okay, this is what we did. We put a new system on it. It's called stainless steel bros. Basically like a competitor for Vibrant right there. Instead of the resonator, 2.5 inch in, 2.5 inch out, or actually 2 1/4 in, 2 1/4 out. And then it continues 2 1/4 all the way. Then we did a rear muffler delete there and there, 2 1/4 also. And we reused his tips, as you guys can see there and there, like nothing ever happened. Only thing he gets is the sound. That's what we like. There it is right there. Hyundai Sonata N-Line. Turbo 2.0, like boosts about 300 horsepower, 340 foot-pound of torque. There's the muffler. Where's the mufflers? I don't know. There's a resonator anyways, right there. And we showed you guys the mufflers earlier. They're in the back where they cut them for the tips. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. That sounds mean. It is a lot throatier than that. There's sound decibels? Go ahead. We hit 103 earlier. So you got a sick look to him, too.
Oh, yeah, I love it.
That's cool.
I need to give it a wax.
Go ahead. Hyundai Sonata N-Line. You look online, you can't find nothing for these. We're the first ones to do it for you guys. Enjoy. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. Put a K&N air filter on it. There it is. Turbo. Smart Stream. Each one keeps coming up with their own names. There's the engine bay, guys. I love the light setup. You guys see it. Goes all the way up and then it chromes out. That's so cool. Enjoy, guys. Sonata. Stainless steel bros.